Tomato farming is the backbone of California's agricultural economy. Despite challenges like rising temperatures, water restrictions, and logistical delays, processors have adapted and overcome. One company has risen to the challenge by offering innovative, sustainable solutions. Goodpak. Goodpak is the world's largest provider of reusable pallet-sized packaging solutions. With over 4.5 million containers in circulation, we streamline logistics and reduce waste through our MB6 all-in-service program. But the real proof lies in the results experienced by industry leaders like Ingomar Packing Company.
Goodpak is just overall a great company to work with. I've always been impressed by their service. Our tomato season is incredibly critical to the success of our operation, and Goodpak understands that our packaging needs are flexible even during tomato season. One of my favorite things about the MB6 program is the elimination of bin returns. Bin returns with wood bins or plastic become a huge hassle for both ourselves and our customers. The MB6 program eliminates the need for our customers to send the bins back to us. We don't have to sort them, and it's just a much more simple process, less expensive, and removes headaches from everybody involved. Goodpak really makes it easy for our customers to use the product and then let Goodpak know when it needs to be picked up. And we can really service customers anywhere in the world and take advantage of the program.
The MB6 container, specifically designed for the tomato industry, ensures efficient protection and handling. Made from galvanized steel, it's designed for maximum durability and is easy to handle with its four-way forklift entry.
Goodpak really has benefited Ingomar's operation by offering a safe, versatile container. We're able to pick up the unit in several ways with a four-way entry option. The stacking pins on the container makes it a lot safer in a static warehouse environment. It decreases movement and keeps the columns safe. The container is also approved to be used in rail, sea, and truck.
Goodpak's MB6 solution not only improves operations but also supports sustainability goals, reducing carbon footprints and eliminating waste.
One of the strongest selling points of the MB6 was we didn't have to change anything on our line. We were able to implement it and get it on the factory line without any companion pallets or any other modifications. For most products, we're able to get 8 or 9% more in per container. That's a reduction of packaging materials, containers over the course of our production season. From an efficiency standpoint, it's streamlined our process. It allows us to use fewer containers on the line and fewer fill cycles during the course of our season.
Goodpak continues to innovate and set new standards for efficiency, sustainability, and operational excellence in the tomato industry. Together, we are redefining the future.